We are starting. It is Math 1. It is September.
Third.
It's the 3rd of September, 2019. Equations with no solutions, infinite solutions, and one solution. What is the learning goal? Raising a hand. You got it.
I can use one variable equations and inequalities to model and solve real life problems.
Do you have a little sister that goes to the school here? Is she in 7th grade?
No, she's in 6th grade.
Okay. I'm very confused. Hey, Lizette, will you tell me the why? Not every problem is solvable. Some apparent solutions in the physical world are not possible because they defy the laws of physics. Perpetual motion machines are an example. In math, there are some equations that just are not solvable. There are also equations that have an infinite number of solutions. Today we're going to look at the idea of no solution, infinite solutions, and one solution. The 3 possibilities that could occur. So here is an equation. Before you, I don't want you to write that one down yet, though. Don't write that one. I'm going to modify my lesson right now. I give you a different one. I'll give you this one. 4x plus 6 equals 2x plus 2x plus. Now I'm changing it even. I'm changing it again. I know, Mr. Barre, you're so crazy. 4x plus 1 plus 2. There we go. That's what I want. What does it mean to be a solution? Yeah.
To be a solution is like to solve something.
Gavin.
If you plug it.
Gavin, what does it mean to be a solution?
You plug it in.
If you plug it in, it will work. Okay, I need someone to pick a number. Yeah, Trent, and make it easy. Don't get crazy with me. 7. If I plug it in, does it work? Let's see. 4 times 7 is 28, plus 6 is 34. 7 plus 1 is 8, times 4 is 32, 33, 34. He first try, boom, he found a solution. Like that. Just total. Did you plan that?
No, I was thinking.
JJ, pick a number.
17. Oh shoot, my bad. 5.
5.
590.
4 times 5 is 20, plus 6 is 26. 5 plus 1 is 6, times 4 is 24. 25 is. You pick the solution. You want to pick a number, Jackson?
Well, I know what. I know. Am I supposed to say it?
You can say anything you want, within
well,
reason.
I know why any number would work.
Why?
Because it's the same. So all on the right side, it all adds up to the same as 4x plus 6. So whatever you can multiply anything, or you plug anything into x, and it'll still be the same.
So it's identical on both sides. Here's the deal. This is any number you plug in is going to work. Let's simplify it down a little bit. Let's do it with the wall. So I have 4x plus 6 equals 4x plus 4 plus 2 after the distribution. So 4x plus 6 equals 4x plus 6. And right there, Jackson, you're exactly right. It's showing me, hey, it's the same thing on both sides. Before we get too crazy, red marker of death and destruction. I'm going to use it in a new and exciting way. Watch this. What I really just did is I subtracted 4x from both sides. What would you like to do? I'd like to subtract 4x from both sides. Since I have a 4x on both sides, I can take them both away and keep the equation in balance. Remember, an equation is like a balance scale. I don't know if you've ever seen that analogy. A scale like this. If I have 4x's on this side and 4x's on this side, if I take them both off, am I still in balance? Yes. If I add 4x's to both sides, am I still in balance?
Yes.
So what I did is I just took 4x's off both sides. And that leaves me with 6 equals 6. Let's look at this other one. 2x plus 4 equals x plus x plus 8. You got that, Nico? You got that written in your notes? Yeah. No? So this is going to simplify to what? 2x plus 4 equals
2x plus 8.
2x plus 8. Chris, can you handle the red marker of death and destruction? My question is, can you handle this? I can find somebody else then. I need Micah. Can you handle the red marker of death and destruction? Yes, come on up. I need someone that can wield it with power and authority.
Not
That's different. She's using it in a way that yes, nice. And I can do that because 2x's on both sides. If I have 2x's on both sides of the scale, I can drop them both off. And what am I left with then? What do I have now, Greenleaf?
4 equals 8.
What does that mean? Chris, what does it mean? There's no solution. It doesn't make sense. This is telling me there are infinite solutions. This is telling me there is no solution. There is no number in the world that's going to make 4 equals 8. I can't plug in some number and suddenly make 4 equal 8. There's no value of x up here that's ever going to work. Here, everything works. Questions so far? Yes, Trent Gordon.
What if you plug? Wait, can you not plug anything in for x?
Right here?
Yeah.
You pick it. There's just, if I started solving this, this is what I'd end up with, and it just doesn't work. There's no, I can't make this work.
Right.
The x's are gone. I'm left with 4 equals 8. There is no x. I can plug in and pick a number.
3.
3. 6 plus 4 is 10. 6 plus 8 is 14. Didn't work. Pick another number. 2. I mean, we could do this for the rest of your life, and you're never going to find a number that works. Or I could rainbow poster it, and I can get right here and find out there's no number that's going to work. Here, all day long, everything works. Fractions, decimals, everything.
Oh, the difference will always be 4.
Here, yeah, there's always going to be, this guy is always going to be 4 higher than that side. There's no way to make it balance out. There's no way to make it equal. You can't do it. So we're going to give you kind of 3 rules on how to identify the equation. So I'm going to call it 1 none infinite. And don't copy off the board, off of the screen. Copy off of what I'm writing, because I need to fix it. 1 none infinite. One always has an x in it. It's like x equals, pick a number, Nico.
4.
That would be one solution. What is the solution? 4. If I plug in 4, it will work. Miranda, pick a number. X equals 6. That is one solution. X equals 6. If you plug in a 6, it will work. Presley, pick a number, make it negative, because that's exciting.
Negative 10.
X equals negative 10. That is one solution. This is what one solution looks like. If you start solving it and you get down to like x equals 5, that's one solution. X equals 8, one solution. No solution. Pick two numbers that aren't the same.
3 and 10.
3 equals 10. No solution. Taryn, pick a number.
-1.
-1, and pick another number.
3.
3, no solution. If you did all the rainbow poster and you got down to that, no solution. Jordan, pick two numbers.
8
And?
and negative 40.
No solution. You did your whole rainbow poster, you used your red marker of death and destruction, you got down to that. No solution. Or I could get it down to 0 equals 1. This is actually the basis for it right there. Infinite. Trent, pick a number.
3.
Equals 3. Infinite solutions. Bradley, pick a number.
6.
6 equals 6. Infinite solutions. Jackson, pick a number.
5.
5 equals 5. Infinite solutions. 1 equals 1. Infinite solutions. 0 equals 0. Infinite solutions. All you're going to do tonight is you're going to start solving the equation until you get it down to something in one of these columns. Just keep working it down, and finally you're going to either get to, there's an x. Actually, let's put this. X's don't cancel. X's do cancel. Constants don't cancel. And here, everything cancels. I think I have enough problems for everyone to get one. So we'll start over here, Jackson. 1, none, or infinite?
1.
1. Notice the x's are not going to cancel out. I will always have an x. What's that? None. Let's go with Maddie. Infinite. Chris. 1. Notice the x's aren't going to cancel out. There's always going to be an x floating around. Aiden. Infinite. X's cancel. I'm left with 0 equals 0, which I go over there, that means infinite. Micah. None. Taryn. Infinite. Gavin.
1. Infinite. None.
Why do you say none?
Because there is.
So at this point, I would.
Don't cancel.
What is it?
Because constants don't cancel.
Right. Do the x's cancel? So Chris, red marker. Okay. No. Chris, yes?
Yes.
Yes. Come on, powerful. Avenge me. Watch what Chris is about to do. Red marker of death and destruction. What's going to happen there? Goodbye. Goodbye. What am I left with at this point? 0 equals 2. What does that tell me? No solution.
Those are really bad lines.
You'll learn. You're still just
A little bit.
a Padawan. It should be like the red lightsaber of death and destruction. All right.
Break the mold.
Where am I? I feel like it's Presley. What do you think, Presley?
Infinite.
Infinite. Do the x's cancel out? Do the 2's cancel out? Everything's gone? Infinite. Jordan?
None.
None. It is Bradley.
None.
Why do you say none?
1.
Why do you say 1?
Because the only answer would be 0 and then they equal 0.
Nico, what do you say?
I say 1.
Why do you say 1?
Because if x was 1, or if x was 0, then it would be
But
1.
there's always there's an x up there. Is there a way to get that x to go away?
No.
If I have an x at the end, it's a 1 solution. X. What's the solution to this?
X equals 0.
What is the solution?
Zero.
0. The 0 is the solution. Ah, JJ. None. Eli.
1. But none.
So look, go into the infinite. See how 5 equals 5, 8 equals 8. So this is going to be an infinite.
Oh.
This one right here, Trent Gordon.
None.
Why do you say none?
1.
Why do you say 1?
Because if that, no, none, because the
Why do you say none?
And it'd be negative 1 equals nothing.
We don't have a nothing.
Or 0.
0, got it. So we have a negative 1 equals 0, which is no solution. Miranda. Infinite. Gavin. Let's start, if we have to think about it, let's start working it. What do you want to do first? Draw the wall. Done. What do you want to do after that? Okay, tell me what to do.
2x plus 3 equals
2x plus 6 equals 8.
8. Oh, sorry.
Cool. What do you want to do?
Subtract 6 from both sides.
Okay.
And divide both sides by 2. It's 1.
It's 1. Right here, I should have seen it as 1. As soon as I realized my x's aren't going to cancel out. How about now? How about now? If I had this right here. Greenlee.
If you had that right there, then it would be none because x's cancel out and 8 is 6.
6 equals 8 doesn't work. So as soon as those x's start canceling out, that's how I know it's either none or infinite. This one, Greenlee, it's your turn.
It would be none because
None?
the x's cancel out.
Yeah, and I'm left with 0 equals 9, I think. All right, Jackson.
This solution would be none.
Why do you say none?
Because
Let's start walk. Let's walk through it, okay? 2x minus 2x. 0, so I have 0 equals 0. So it'd be infinite right there. So if you're looking at it like, I don't know what to do, just walk through it with the rainbow poster. Done. Boom. Boom, boom. Boom, boom, boom.
So is algebra J?
I do not know. Yes.
Oh, it's J8, never mind.
Beg your pardon? This is infinite. Pick a number. Pick a number. 4. 2 times 4 is 8. 2 times 4 is 8. 8 minus 8 is 0. It worked. Watch this. Pick another number, Chris. 8. 2 times 8 is 16. Minus 2 is 16. 16 minus 6. Worked again. Pick another number. 52. 104 minus 104 is 0. Pick another number. Come on, Chris. That's all you got? 52. Come on!
Oh my god.
1 million.
What is it?
699.
520. 1040 minus 1040 is 0.
Wait, can I do a number?
3,568.
You're gonna hurt my brain, aren't you?
No.
You're gonna try to make me feel.
3.14.
Okay.
Negative 643.
Negative 643. Okay. Negative 643. Negative 1286.
Wait, can I have one more? Negative 643.0284.
0.0284. Dude, the 8's gonna mess me up. No.
Yeah.
All right. Hey, that's So. Who's gonna do it? Who hasn't done it yet and wants to do it? You've already done it. Somebody new and exciting. Have you already done the outro?
Gavin hasn't. Gavin should.
Gavin, have you done it? You don't. If you choose not to, I'm not gonna force you. I'm gonna do it myself then.
Oh.
It's all right. Have you done it,
should all
Nico?
stand in the background.
God.
Maybe
I
we should
did
all
it
do
the
it. Yeah,
first
we
time.
should all do it.
How about 2 people?
I'll do it.
Boom. And, okay. Jordan and Presley. Presley, if she brings you up, no. House of Citizenship. House of Citizenship. Come on, House of Citizenship. Oh, you can come up here too, Karen. Come on, Karen. There, the 2 of you do it.
I'm the only person experienced in this class.
Like and subscribe.
Yeah, and hit the comment, and if you want to donate, you can. Because
Is there a donation button?
yeah, you can.
Yeah, donate,
If you
man.
want to donate on the live
I want them to donate
we earn
donuts.
more money.